Hi guys, it's essentially Meg and welcome back to my channel. This is a little bit of a bonus video. It's not really in the destination wedding planning or travel series. I just want to talk to you about my backyard and what we've done to it in the last 12 months or so. In May of 2019, we ripped out an ugly bush and started putting in this garden bed, and it's just grown from there. So I hope you enjoy this, and I hope that it gives you a little bit of inspiration to beautify your own space. So back in May of 2019, we ripped out that bush like I told you, and we started building this garden bed. That year we ended up planting a whole bunch of vegetables and it went out of control. But this year, we decided to restain it. And then we went with all flowers instead of vegetables. The flowers we chose were white rose trees and night sky petunias, which have purple flowers with little white dots. And they remind me of the sky in Montana, where some of Kyle's family lives. We planted some lavender trees over by the fence, and man, they smell amazing. A big thank you to Kyle's dad who came over and helped us build these boxes. It took one day to build and stain the boxes, and then we took the next day to plant in them, and they turned out great. We stained them the same color as the garden box that we built last year. We just planted a couple of varieties of white flowers in 2 of the garden boxes, and we're planting herbs in the final box because that last one doesn't get as much sun. Now, this whole garden has been inspired by French garden design, or at least classical French garden design. The difference between classical French garden design and English is English almost felt like you were walking out into a wild parkland, even though you were in your backyard. And the French tried to incorporate perspective and order into their designs. So everything is very deliberate and very ordered and very, I guess you could call it satisfying or pleasing to the eye. And in that corner of the backyard, we just finished that, added mulch and rocks and a planter to the corner. And now we can go through and I can take you on a tour of the garden as it is now. Welcome to my backyard. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for watching this video. This has become such an idyllic place for us to spend afternoons and evenings. It was already a pretty nice patio with the tree shade and everything, but now we've got these gorgeous flowers and this back corner is no longer ugly. I am so grateful that I have this space and I have a fiance who's willing to put in all of the work and come up with some of the ideas of making this place look beautiful. I'd like to send out a special thank you to everybody who has helped us along the way, with my parents helping me buy this house and renovate it with me, as well as Kyle's dad with all of the help that he's given us in the last couple of weeks in the projects around the yard that you guys have just seen. We wouldn't be able to have such nice things if we weren't surrounded by such nice people. So this bonus content is not going to come out on the regular schedule where I'm going to upload every Monday. This will maybe be just like a bonus video throughout the week if I do end up getting the time to do that in future months. So if you are interested in watching more of these kinds of videos, then please subscribe and hit the bell notification button so that you do know whenever I actually post one of these off the regular schedule. I expect these bonus videos will be a little bit more like house projects that we complete, or funny stuff with the animals that we have, or just a vlog of my day, or maybe cooking videos, something like that. But they're going to be a lot less frequent than the normal wedding planning and travel videos that I'm going to have on this channel. So if you did like this, then hit the like button down below, and the question of the day is really just describe your favorite house or yard project that you've ever done, or describe a project that you want to do. I want this to be like a place where people just come and get ideas about what they can do next. I'm hoping that some of this has inspired some of you to take the first step towards those future projects that you're interested in, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.